literally I'm scrolling the reels, and I got a one reel from Tanishq. We have a one person in the cybersecurity field. I watch a one Tanishq now telling about the information about IIT Guwahati organize a Microsoft security program with the collaboration with ICOJob. So I'm just coordinate with the ICOJob, and I'm just forget the name of the counselor, but is also a very sweet. She guide me like a sister, and proper counseling, and give me lots of things like you have explored this part like that.
Hi everybody. Today we have with us Manoj Yadav, who was recently placed at Net Intelligence at a role of cybersecurity analyst. So first off, congratulations Manoj for getting placed.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Manoj, so let's start with your background, right? What degree have you done, and how was your college experience? And then finally, when did you decide you wanted to get into cybersecurity?
So if I'm talking about my technical background, so I am not from technical background. I am just doing my graduation with the Bachelor of Arts.
Very interesting. Okay. So BA, BA, did you have work experience as well?
No, and actually they have a one more story. I chose the BA because in my college time, in the first semester of my college, I am just playing professionally cricket from the UPCA team, state level player, like you can tell it. And but due to some financial problems, I have to drop out them. So that's why I am switched to cybersecurity.
Okay, all right. So why cybersecurity? It's very specific.
Ma'am,
there is many other tech roles.
Yeah, I also explored the other sites like web development, data science, artificial intelligence. But in the cybersecurity, I like the one thing we have faced lots of challenges, and literally I like challenges. I like to solve them, like new opportunity and challenges. You don't adapt to that.
So first, you are a cricketer, so congratulations for being able to play at state level. That's also a great achievement in itself. And then from a non-tech background to deciding, I want a tech career, and then choosing cybersecurity because you understood yourself that you like to, overcome challenges. That's great. Absolutely commendable. So how did you end up choosing ICOJob for your cybersecurity course? Did you explore other courses as well?
No, actually, I am just finished out my 1 year cybersecurity diploma at the local institute of Delhi.
Got it.
So, but after that, I don't have any kind of placement chances from them. He told me after the graduation, they provide you. So I'm just completing this diploma in my second year. Okay. So I'm just literally I'm scrolling the reels, and I got a one reel from Tanishq. We have a one person in the cybersecurity field. I watch a one Tanishq now telling about the information about IIT Guwahati organize a Microsoft security program with the collaboration with ICOJob. So I'm just coordinate with the ICOJob, and I'm just forget the name of the counselor, but is also a very sweet. She guide me like a sister, and proper counseling, and give me lots of things like you have explored this part like that.
From Gurgaon office. Okay, what was the name?
Neha Agarwal.
Neha, okay, got it, understood. She's sitting right there. I'm also based out of Gurgaon office.
And literally I just visit your office as well before joining the course.
Oh, okay, nice. Understood. So where are you based out of?
I am from Noida.
Achha, you're from Noida. Got.
But really I am during an internship.
So once you started the course with ICOJob, right? How did that go? What did you like about it? What did you not like?
Literally, by talking about the starting phase, so we have a starting lesson of cryptography, and it is all things are based on mathematics. And as in my non-tech field, I don't have any kind of mathematics. But I request to Srinivasan sir, there is our instructor, ki sir, we have a not for technical background, so please explain like a non-tech field as well. So he doing their well, we doing our well. We grab the lots of thing and miss lots of thing as well. But after the session, after the lecture, I have to watch the recording and the video as well. Doing these things,
Got it.
I'm just working with them and understand the concept as well.
Understood. Got it. So, after joining the course, how much time did it take for you to clear your placement mocks and become job ready?
Actually, I told you my course has been not finished yet.
Yeah. So, how are you able to apply to the job drive for network intelligence if you're not placed, if you did not clear the placement mocks?
Actually, we have a last phase of our course. Okay, just 5 to 6 lessons are pending. So I'm just doing the great thankful to Adit sir. He is our course coordinator, I think. So the very things to discuss, because seriously I'm just giving the blessings with my heart. He is posting the openings in group, so I'm just applying them. I'm just fill out the Google Docs form. The I got the interview call HR of network intelligence, because I have already experience of 2-month internship in Crypto Cyber Security Private Limited, so that's why it's giving the preference to me. And I also doing the VAPT and the network intelligence, find the person who have the experience in VAPT as well. After that, I just got the call from interview, so I'm just called to Adit sir. I think I told to Adit sir like that I have a call from interview. So he grew up me confident. Manoj, you are a person who selected that like that, blah blah blah. Lots of the motivational line for me. Okay, so I'm just be the confident, and in the interview, they asked me mostly 15 16 questions, and sir, I am doing answer very well, because I literally know all about the questions. Some of the questions I give you less information, but my interview doing very well. And after the interview, I called the sir like, sir, I filled the lots all questions and I answered it very well.
Great. Awesome, Manoj. So, Manoj, people who are still exploring which tech path to go for, especially people coming from non-tech background, right? What advice do you have for them? How should they decide which field to go into?
So, as per my opinion, those people have to first of all identify their talents, because no one is good in every field. Everyone have a different talent. So first of all, they have to identify them. And if we, as per cybersecurity person, if we are thinking to come into cybersecurity field, so in the cybersecurity, we have a different type of roles. Some of the assessment, SOC analyst, GRC, okay, network engineer. So they have a different kind of responsibilities. As well, giving an example of mine. So in the assessment, we have to face lots of challenges, the different type of network architecture, different type of website architecture. We have to test them, analyze the architecture, and to find the vulnerability. So it is a crazy work for me. I like them work. So I like you have to successful early. Okay, if you are doing work with any kind of load and dislike your work, so you don't have any kind of successful. So my advice, and then identify your talent and choose your part, and consult with the actual job counselors. They are the great and very well. Like I'm giving the example of Neha Agarwal as well. And I'm giving a one incident as well. I'm just telling to ma'am, want only penetration testing. I don't want any kind of field. So she told me, Manoj, I agree with you, but you have to explore the all field in the cybersecurity, because they have, if you know the skills and techniques for the all field, so you have to preference for company. You got the job early from the other student. If you know only assessment, so you got only assessment job. But if you know idea about the SOC as well, GRC as well, so you have to play very well. And in future you need to hike, so that's help us you.
Got it. Thank you for sharing that incident, Manoj. I'm happy that our counselors were able to help you. And you also giving the advice of for students that first figure out what you are good at, what is your talent, then
Yeah.
find out what various goals are, then make a choice. But first you need to know yourself, right?
Yes.
So thank you for sharing that, right? I have one last question for you before we close this, right? So how would you describe AccioJob in one word?
I can't describe in one word. Okay, first of all, that's serious. I have a lots of things for AccioJob. I meet the two people of AccioJob as well only. First of all, Neha Agarwal, who guide me very well. Second, आदित्य सर. स्टार्टिंग में क्या था ना कि मेरे को सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये मेरे पास कि मेरे को इंग्लिश भी कमजोर थी, सीओ कोई तक थी. तो मैंने कहा सर ऐसे प्रॉब्लम है. कह रहे कोई नहीं, हो जाएगा, आपको आप करो. जो कोर्स में मतलब आदित्य सर ने तो नहीं, मतलब जो कोर्स में उन्होंने मेरे को IIT के लेक्चर थे, जो उनकी टीम थी, विकास की थे, डिलीवर किया. अगर उसको हम साइड में लेक्चर करें और सिर्फ ये देखें कि 30% जो हेल्प आनी थी आई या नहीं आई, वो गाड़ी बनाई. बिकॉज वन इंसिडेंट ये भी हुआ था कि बीच में हमारे बच्चे लेक्चर्स रह गए थे. तो मैंने वो नोटिस सर को, सर ऐसे ऐसे हमारे लेक्चर रह गए. तो कहा कि नो वरीज, नो ही लेक्चर फ्रेंड. उन्होंने उठकर सर से बात करी, वो लेक्चर हमारे हुए. सेकंड थिंग, हाँ, अब इंसान तो गलती सबसे होती है. तो मैंने एक कह सकते हैं कि हमारे कैंपस वाला था, तो आज सर ने मेरे को थोड़ा सा कहा दिया था कि ऐसे से हमारा कैंपस इनोवेशन होगा, कैंपस जाएंगे. तो सडनली किसी और ने पूछा, तो मैंने कहा कि हमें नहीं पता. मेरे को बोला कि मैंने तुमको अभी पूरा समझाया, तो फिर तुमने उसको ऐसे क्यों बोला. यू आर डूइंग बैड थिंग्स सो ही पनिश्ड यू एज वेल, बट इफ यू आर गुड थिंग्स सो ही गिविंग एप्रिसिएशन फॉर यू. एंड ड्यूरिंग माय जर्नी मैं मतलब हिचका रहा था कि सर मैं पुणे में जाऊंगा, कैसे रहूंगा, ये वो. सो उन्होंने मेरे को एक कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर दिया कि आप इससे कोऑर्डिनेट करो, या आपको रूम पीजी जो भी होगा मतलब एकोमोडेशन में हेल्प करा देगा.
Very nice to hear that Adit was able to help you so much. ठीक है, all right. Thank you so much Manoj for doing this for us and sharing your journeys. I'm pretty sure a lot of other sports person who want to transition, or people from non-tech who wants to transition, they get inspired from your journey. And they also believe that yes, it is possible, and they are also able. So again, a big congratulations to you. This is just the beginning for you. I'm pretty sure you'll go to great heights. Again, thank you so much.